Hello friends, Hannah with you, and today I want to show you how to crochet such a flower applique. It is perfect for embellishing tops, dresses, bags, baby clothes or even home decor projects. And it will be easy crochet tutorial. It is a beginner crochet project. I plan to use this flower applique in my future project, namely for beach dress. And therefore subscribe to my channel to see it when the video is ready. And now, if you want to know how to crochet a flower, let's begin. So to crochet flower, you will need two skeins of yarn in different colors, but you can also use your remains. And I will use a hook 3.0 mm. Also you will need needle and scissors. So let's start. So we start crochet our flower with a amigurumi ring. So please do like this. Then with the hook grab the thread like this and make a stitch. So we have our ring, and now add two more stitches, and this is our first double crochet stitch. We will count like this. So now we should have 16 double crochet stitches. This is our first stitch, and we should make 15 double crochet stitches more. So let's start. This is our second yarn over, and this is our third stitch, and we continue this way till we have 16 double crochet stitches. So when you have your 15 double crochet stitches, now we should tighten our ring like this. See it? Like this. And into the third stitch, 1, 2, 3, we should make a slip stitch to close it off. And now we will start with another color. So we cut our yarn like this, and in the end we will weave in these ends. So now I take my new yarn, new color, and fix my thread in any place, in any stitch, like this. Then we make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we should make 3 yarn overs, 1, 2, 3, and in this stitch, the same stitch, when we have this chain, we will make 1, 2 and 3. So we have 2 loops on the hook and pull through all 2 loops. And then we should make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chains, then yarn over 3 times and skip 1 stitch, and into the next we will make like a treble crochet but don't finish it. So like this, pull through 2, then again pull through 2 and pull through 2 loops, and we have 2 loops on the hook but don't finish it. So let's continue, and again 3 yarn overs into the same stitch. We also make treble crochet but don't finish it. So 1, 2, 3. We have 3 loops on the hook, and then pull through all 3 loops, and we have such a petals. You see it? So let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chains, then again 3 yarn overs, skip 1 stitch into the next one, make like a treble crochet but don't finish it, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. 2 loops on the hook, then again 3 yarn overs into the same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. 3 loops on the hook, pull through all, and we have our third petal. So let's continue this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 yarn overs, skip 1 stitch into the next one, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, 2 loops on the hook, then 3 yarn overs into the same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through all 3 loops like this. So we continue this way until this point. So when you have your 8 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in the end we should make 8 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and close this row with a slip stitch on this stitch like this. So what we get now, and continue crochet our flower. So now we will use not double crochet stitch but a half double crochet. So make yarn over, and on this side of this petal we start crochet a half double crochets. So 1 yarn over, 2 yarn over, 3 yarn over, 4, 6, 7 and 8. So you see what we get. And now turn your work like this and continue crocheting on this side of this petal with half double crochets. So yarn over and also make 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8, like this, and close it off with a slip stitch on this first stitch, like this. And now we will crochet on this side. So yarn over and start crocheting with a half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So on this side we have 12 half double crochet. So you see what we get now, and continue. So we have our another petal, and yarn over and start crocheting on this side, then on this, and then on this. So let's start with 8 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then turn our work and continue on this side. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then turn again, make a slip stitch, and then continue on this side. So on this side we should make 12 half double crochets. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is what we get now, and this way we continue till the end of this row. So I want to show you one more time, and then you will continue by yourself. So yarn over, make this petal, 8 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then turn your work and continue on this side. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So again slip stitch and continue on this side with 12 half double crochets. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So please continue to the end of this row. So let's finish this row. When I made these 12 half double crochet, on this back side I make a slip stitch like this. Then we cut our yarn like this, and let's weave in the ends. You can use a needle for this. So let's hide them, maybe in this place. Pull through the stitches like this and cut this yarn. And also you can use your hook to hide the ends. Like this. I make it this way to secure. Try one more time, like this. And also for this I want to use my needle. Maybe it will be easier for you. It's a special needle with a big eye, you see it. So like this, cut this yarn off, and this one let's hide it here. And cut. So this is what we get. Here's such a beautiful flower you get. So if you like this crochet tutorial, give this video a like, and please write in the comments what you would like to see in my future videos. So I want to read it and I wait for them. So see you next time, and bye.